Hi children, good morning. I am Mehul sir. Today we will learn Unit 3. There is a lesson, the enormous turnip. Now we will start. Okay, on the screen you can see some pictures. Okay, do you know which vegetable is this? Okay, this is turnip. Okay, and here you can see seeds of turnip. Okay, turnip is a kind of vegetable which we use for eating as a vegetables. Now on the screen you can see there is an old man. Okay, once the old man planted turnip seeds, and after some time he saw that the turnip was very huge, very big, or you can say enormous. So here enormous means very big, or you can say huge. Now we will move towards the lesson. Okay, name of the lesson is the enormous turnip. In the screen, on the screen you can see there is a old man and old woman. They are both trying to pull up the turnip. The turnip is very big. So they both are trying together to pull it out of the ground. Now I will read out. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. So here in the story they are telling that the old man planted turnip seeds. But what happened then? The turnip plant of that seeds that grew and grew and grew, and it became very big. Now it is very difficult for the old man to pull it out from the soil. So next, an old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. Okay, then I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. Okay, here what happened then? Now that old woman and that old man, they both are trying to pull up the turnip, but they are not able to pull it up. So at that time what happened? The boy came and he told that I will also help you to pull out this, or to pull up this enormous turnip. Okay, now next what happened? Okay, in this picture you can see there is a girl. Okay, here the girl also joined them. Now the old man and the old woman and the boy pull and pull. Here you can see these three people, they are trying to pull it up, but they are not able to do that. Now but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. A girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. So here the girl also joined them. She told that I will also help you, and before we'll do that together. Now next, here you can see that they four done that together. Okay, now the old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled, and then up came the enormous turnip. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl, and they did. So here you can see they have pulled it up together. Okay, so after pulling it up, the boy and rest of all, they told that old man that we will also help you to eat it. Okay, इसको खाने में भी हम आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. Okay, this was a story, very small story. Okay, here we have seen that sometimes we are not able to do some work alone. हम लोग अकेले कोई काम नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो उस टाइम पर क्या करते हैं? We need help of our friends or our elders. So here we have seen that how they all together. Okay, now new words. Enormous means huge, large, or you can say very big. Then turnip, as we have seen in the lesson, turnip is a one kind of vegetable. Then pulled means ऊपर की तरफ खींचना, lift up or raise. Then difficult means hard or tough, या तो मुश्किल. Okay, now we will move towards question answers. The first one, what did the old man plant? The old man planted some turnip seeds. Then why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Why the old man was not able to pull up the turnip alone? वो अकेला क्यों नहीं खींच पाया? Okay, now I think we all know the turnip was very big. So the answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up or to pull the turnip because it was enormous. Then number 3, who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Old man को किन किन लोगों ने help किया था? Okay, now we all know that an old woman, a boy and a girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Then number 4, who ate the enormous turnip? किन किन लोगों ने खाया था? At last they all, the old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl ate the enormous turnip. Okay, now next, number 5, name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Okay, now we have to write down name of any 4 vegetables that we used to pull out from the ground, जिनको जमीन में से खींच के निकालना पड़ता है. ठीक है? As we have seen that turnip is also the vegetable which we pull out from the ground or from the earth. Now here the first one is potato, then second one carrot, then ginger, then radish. These all vegetables, they grew inside the or in the ground or in the earth. Okay, there are some more you can see in the picture. Carrot, radish, beet, garlic, onion, turnip. These all vegetables, they grew in the earth or in the ground. Now next, a game of opposites. Here the entire class can be divided into 2 groups, but now you are all at your home, so you have to do it yourself. Okay, where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite word. So here you have to just write down opposite words for the given words. Okay, I will show you. Group 1, you can see there are some words and group 2 is telling opposite words of that words. So here the pool opposite is push, then black, white, true, false, right, wrong, far, near, good, bad, dark, bright, up, down, old, new. So these are all opposite words. Then you have to give plural of the given vegetables. Okay, for singular we use one and plural means एक से ज़्यादा. For that we use many. So if there is only one carrot, we will write carrot, but more than one, then we will write carrots. Then turnip, turnips, onion, onions, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. So these are plurals of the given vegetables. Now number 10, one word in each of the following set is different than the others. Choose the odd one out. Okay, you have to see all the words properly and you can find that there is a word which is different than other words. So you have to just find out that word, okay, and that is called odd. Odd means सबसे अलग है जो. So the first one, you can see that there are words like turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, brinjal, carrot. So can you find out, are you able to find out which one is different from other words? Yes, it's sunflower. These all turnip, potato, tomato, brinjal, carrot, they are all vegetables, but sunflower is a kind of flower. So sunflower is different than others. So the answer will be sunflower. Then number 2, cow, horse, fox, kangaroo and melon. So here you can see that cow, horse, fox, kangaroo, they are all name of animals. Then melon is one kind of fruit. So here the answer will be melon. Then number 3, banyan, neem, people, mango, snake and apple. So here the word snake is different. Then number 4, rose, lily, sunflower, lotus and cauliflower. So which one is different? Cauliflower, okay, because it's name of vegetable and rest of all they are all flowers. Then number 5, peacock, parrot, lizard, crow and woodpecker. So which one is different? Peacock, parrot, crow, woodpecker, they are all name of birds, but the lizard is its insect. So now next topic, let's go shopping. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Okay, you can see on the screen there is a table, okay, and you can also find some name of some vegetables with their name, okay. So you have to find out name of that vegetables from the table or from the grid. Okay, draw a circle around each word and one has been done for you. उन्होंने potato को circle करके रखा है. Like that you have to find out all other names. Okay, I have also find out that turnip. Okay, turnip दिख रहा है सबको, मैंने circle किया है ऊपर. Like that you have to do. Then beans, then peas, then carrot and tomato. Okay, next. Okay, there is an activity. Okay, name of the activity is grow a plant. Okay, you need these things for doing this activity. Things required are a glass, blotting paper, some sand, some seeds of beans or rajma. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें आपको चाहिए. And how to do that activity I will explain now. The method is given here. First, line the blotting paper inside the glass. एक ग्लास के अंदर या कोई कांच का डिब्बा होगा उसके अंदर ऐसे blotting paper को रख देना है पूरा. Then place sand in the glass. ग्लास के बीच में थोड़ी सी मिट्टी डाल देनी है. And wet the sand. Wet means गीला करना, मिट्टी को थोड़ा सा गीला करना है, पानी से भर नहीं देना है लेकिन हल्का सा पानी छिड़क देना है. Then place a few seeds between the blotting paper and the glass. ये ग्लास और blotting paper के बीच में आपको ऐसे सीड्स रख देने हैं कुछ, लेकिन अलग अलग करके रखना है. See that the seeds are separate from each other. मतलब उनको अलग अलग तरह से रखना है, नहीं तो क्या होगा, एक दूसरे को वो टच कर जाएंगे. Then 6. See how the roots and shoots of the seeds grow. Okay, if you watch after some days, you can see small root and shoot of the small plant which will grow from the small seed. इस सीड से ऊपर की तरफ सूट निकलेगा और नीचे की तरफ रूट निकल के आएगा. ओके, दिस वाज द एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू एट योर होम. नेक्स्ट, देयर इज वन. Okay, now one more activity. Make a friendship salad. It's very easy. I think all of you know the word salad, जो हम लोग खाने के साथ खाते हैं. ठीक है. For that you need 2 carrots, 2 tomatoes, 2 spoonfuls of peas and 1 lemon. Okay, how to make it I will explain now. First of all, you have to wash all the vegetables well. After that, you have to cut carrots, tomatoes and lemon. Then we will mix the peas, carrots and tomatoes together, as you can see in this picture. Okay, then squeeze lemon juice on top and add salt according to your taste and mix it well, and your salad is ready to eat. Okay, this was the method how to make a salad. Okay children, do you know salad is very good for our health? Okay, now next let's write. Okay children, there are some vegetables which we can eat raw, means कच्चा खा सकते हैं, and some vegetables we can eat only after them cooking them. Okay, so here we will find out. Okay, there are name of some vegetables like carrot, turnip, potato, onion and beans. So from the vegetables like carrot and onion we can eat them raw, means कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं और पका के भी खा सकते हैं. But the vegetable like turnip, potato and beans, we need to eat them only after cooking them properly. Okay, now next is your homework. It's very easy. Make list of following fruits and vegetables. कुछ fruits और vegetables के list आपको बनाने हैं. A, give name of any 5 fruits your elders tell you to eat. जो आपको आपके बड़े खाने के लिए बोलते हैं, ऐसे कुछ 5 फ्रूट्स के नाम आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. ठीक है. Then you have to give name of some or 5 vegetables which your elders tell you to eat. तो जो आपके एल्डर्स आपको बोलते हैं जैसे हरी सब्जियाँ खाओ, ये खाओ, तो ऐसे कुछ 5 वेजिटेबल्स के नाम भी लिखने हैं और फ्रूट्स के नाम भी आपको लिखने हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज योर होमवर्क. ओके.